Hello everyone, this is the 19 GS machine. We are the best, excellent, professional 3D printer filament machine. So we take the whole machine length in the exhibition. Now I will introduce our mold design with the high capacity filament machine to you. For first of all, we will have a look at the hopper. This hopper will use the dryer and the blender together. So that means you don't need the people to blend the material by itself. And the material will be dropped out by the small hopper, by the sensor. So it's automatically fading. We also use the 50mm single screw extruder. That means the more bigger extruder than others, so it can make sure the enough extrusion for the big capacity. We use the hot water tank and the cold water tank, so it can cool down the material, not only by the water cooling, but also by the fan cooling. So it means you not only produce the normal material, but also it can produce the water soluble material by fans. Here we put the sensor in the middle of the hot water and the cold water. That means the sensor can give the reflection to the PLC and the tractor to adjust the speed of the machine to control the tolerance of the filament. So you can have a look, the tolerance of the filament is very accurate and it can control the very good. This light, when the light is turned on, that means you turn on the feedback, this function. Here we will have a look at the tractor. Let's go. The tractor parts, we use the belt to track the filament to control to make sure the filament can be touched by the surface. So it means the more stable. And we also use the servo motor for the tractor. And for the wandering parts, you can also have the tolerance and the thickness of here directly, so the operator can operate very simple. And we use the two wandering station for the the filament. This wandering, it can produce the small 1 kg and with the 10 kg from the 1 to 10. So not only no need to change the wandering. You can produce all of the different kilogram. And we use the neat wandering to wander the filament directly by the PLC control. You can have a look here. So this is the high capacity of the filament machine is around 30 to 40 kilogram per hour. So if you're interested about this machine, welcome to contact us. See you next time.